Alright, number 8. Sorry. Number 8. Alright, and it says in rectangle ABCD, find the measure of angle 1. There's angle 1. It gives us some particular information for these two angles. Remember, it's not the whole angle. We know the whole angle is 90 degrees, right? Alright, we know the whole angle is 90 degrees. It's only giving us a piece of it. Okay? It's only giving us a piece. Let me zoom in a little bit so y'all can see that. Alright, it's only giving us a piece of the angle, so not the whole angle. Alright, we already know the whole angle is 90 degrees. Now, in this case, we have to make absolutely sure we know what we're talking about here. So, I cannot stress this enough to you. Know the properties of parallelograms, quadrilaterals, rectangles, rhombi, squares, alright, trapezoids, and kites, because this is what helps you. Now, you have this information, 2x plus 10 degrees, 3x minus 16 degrees, and 1. If you don't know the properties, there's no way you can complete this answer without guessing. And we don't want to guess, we want to be right. Alright, so what you know is that a property of rectangles is that not only do their diagonals bisect each other, but their diagonals are congruent. So if the diagonals are congruent and they're bisected, then their pieces are congruent. So each one of these pieces are congruent. Wow, that is eye-opening. I want you to take a look at this particular figure, which I'm tracing now. I want you to look at this figure and I want you to tell me what it is. Alright? What figure is that? You're right, that is an isosceles triangle. That's right. And knowing what we know about isosceles triangles, we know that these are the congruent sides, and we know the angles opposite those sides. So if I was to draw this out, watch this, let me draw this out. If I was to pull this out, that's an ugly triangle. That is an ugly triangle. Please forgive me. Let me try that one more time. Okay. If I was to draw this figure out, and this is D, and this is C, alright, that means this is 3x minus 16 degrees, and that means that this angle is 2x plus 10 degrees, and that much is true. And what can we say? We can say that these two angles are congruent because the sides opposite those angles are congruent, right? And I know I can hear Garrett saying it, right? Alright, now, that means 3x minus 16 equals 2x plus 10, right? So here we go. Solve for x. Subtract 2x. X minus 16 equals 10 plus 16 plus 16, right? X equals 26. Am I done? No. I am not finished. My goal was to solve for the measure of angle 1. But now that I've got this here, I can go about solving. So I'm going to take this information, and if x is 26, that means this angle is equal to 2 times 26, alright, 2 times 26 plus 10. 2 times 26 is 52. I'm coming up short today. 52 plus 10, and that is equal to 62 degrees. Alright? So now this angle used to be 2x plus 10, but we know it's now 62 degrees. This entire angle is equal to 90 degrees. We know one part. Let's find angle 1. Alright? So the measure of angle 1 plus 62 degrees is equal to 90. degrees. Subtract 62 from both sides. Y'all know how to do this. So the measure of angle 1 equals 90 minus 62. What's that? What's that? I can't hear you. I'm sorry. I shouldn't be able to hear you. All right. So that is 28 degrees. Now I have solved what I have been required to solve. If this was multiple choice, okay, please keep in mind that it will probably give you 26 degrees for a solution. If it's a multiple choice question, it may say that you have to complete your work. Alright? See you later.